taking action. Udyama is taking massive action or striving towards action. अमृत भाषा रसिक जन नमो नमः. Shraddha Nilesh Gosavi welcome you all. What happened is the last slok that I had shared was about luck and about money, right? The gist of that slok was why I am sharing this is because there were some people who had mixed reactions about this meaning of shloka. So I thought of revisiting it. Okay, so the gist of that shloka was the one who is satisfied with the money, even the little amount of money he earns, and be relaxed and do not take really any action further. To that person, his fate doesn't really work anymore. The fate doesn't favor him. So the moral of story was the one who doesn't work or strive towards taking some action for his own progress, even fate stops working for that person. But if you are taking some action towards your goal and yet you fail, what happens? Then we can say yes, the fate is not working. But there is no way that you can be blamed. You will be blamed because you are totally taking action for your own goal, right? So today's slok is something like that, somewhere around taking action, taking massive action towards your own goals, right? So what is it? It is very famous slok. I have seen this slok many a times, in different platforms. So this slok is उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगः. So the meaning is उद्यमेन सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि. Karyani, all the tasks or goals accomplish with what? Udyamena, by taking action. Udyama is taking massive action or striving towards action. So all the goals accomplish by taking action. Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi, not in the mind. So if you keep on thinking, like there is a great example that every year on 1st January we witness that many people are doing some resolutions, taking up some resolution for the year on 1st January. Why? Because everything is in their mind. They think that if I start the year with a bang, with massive action, then all year I can do that. But they fail when the days pass by. They fail to realize, they fail to judge themselves, they fail to test that whether they are really taking action towards their goal which they have set up in the beginning of year. No, right? So that is the meaning of this line, that na manorathaihi, we cannot accomplish the goal just by thinking about it, right? So what happens if we keep on thinking and don't take action? Here is the best example. Nahi suptasya sinhasya pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. So, suptasya sinhasya mukhe. Lion, sinha, meaning lion, the king of jungle. If he is sleeping, okay, he is relaxing, and what happens to him? If he is not taking action, even if he is satisfied with the food he has already had, if he is filled and he is relaxing, then what happens to him? Nahi suptasya sinhasya pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. So mrugaha, his lunch, his dinner will not automatically come inside his mouth, right? The animals that he is going to. Thank you Arasu for joining, and thank you for giving positive feedback. Thank you Nilesh. So the animals that he is going to feed on, they don't come and they don't enter his mouth by satisfying him. Why? Because he has to do something, he has to take some action to gain his lunch, his dinner, okay, his food basically. So we are not talking about lion from a circus, right? We are talking about a real lion in forest. If he keeps sleeping, okay, if he keep relaxing, will he get food? And if he don't try every day, or if he don't try whenever he is hungry, don't you think he will be weak in some days, and he will forget, or he will have lot of struggle to face to gain food, okay, to acquire food. So that indicates, if it is true for king of animals, who is so powerful, who is so charismatic, what is the case of ordinary people like us if we don't take action every day towards our goal, right? So taking action every day is important. Every day, because the way you keep on taking action, you get more and more clarity, you get more and more positivity and confidence towards accomplishing it, right? So that's why taking action every time is important. We cannot just keep on thinking, yeah, okay, I need to do this, I need to recite shloka, I need to, do exercise, I need to think about earning money, I need to take up a new job. We can't really keep on thinking about it. We have to do something, take some small step every day to strive, or to go forward and reach to our goal, right, towards accomplishing our goal. So that's what is indicated in this Subhashita, that for a lion this is true, that he has to do some work. In similar manner, for all the people, ordinary people like us, we need to take some action towards our goal to be extraordinary, because the word extraordinary indicates the extra step that we take forward, okay, that makes us extraordinary. Not any the skill that we are born with, or not the talent that we are born with. Even an ordinary person can be talented, can earn talent, can learn talent, right, if he takes some steady action every day towards his goal. So that was the Subhashita. Once again, this Subhashita for you. The Subhashita is उद्यमे नहि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः नहि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगः. So, by taking or striving towards action, karyani siddhyanti, the tasks or goals accomplish. Na manorathaihi, not just by thinking in mind. Just like a lion, what happens to him? If a lion is sleeping, the food will not come and sit in his mouth, right? So, in similar manner, we will not gain, we will not accomplish, or our goals, the fulfillment will not come to us, okay? We have to go, we have to go and reach towards our goal. We have to take some action every day for accomplishing goals. So that was the message for today, and I'm also proud of myself, because I'm always taking one step every day to make Sanskrit Bhasha part of my life and your life. So that's why it is so important. That's why the confidence is building and the knowledge is building. And even there are many people who are coming in my community and interacting with me. So even if you don't have any knowledge about Sanskrit Bhasha or any Sanskrit scripture and you want to learn, you want to know about it, okay, so you can tell me your queries, you can let me know your questions, and maybe we can discuss it one-on-one or through some interaction where we can resolve your query, we can take some come to some certain answers. So if you are interested in such thing, please let me know. I would be really happy to help you, okay? So please make sure that you try to take some step, some small step or massive step towards your goal. So if you take a massive action, you will be reaching your goal faster, right? Nobody can have a dispute over it. But if not possible, then at least take some action, some small step towards your goal every day, and also make Sanskrit Bhasha part of your life every day. Once again the shloka, उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. That was for today, and Namo Namaha.